Look ya Trizah wa Muraya ana Trizah wa Wainaina na niä tondå opinion ni cikoragwo ciakwa njitikiria njuge ati ni I don't see anything biggie. No kuona ndirona ati ni kuri na kamundu karahithitwo na riu ni karageria kwiyumiria na we mwiroreri we hau ni njui kuri uri orona. And this one has nothing to do with mundu uria mwamurutire na kuria. It has everything to do with character ya Trizah. That is niguo turamwona in real colors. Mutumia amenyekaga na maundu meri: 1 freedom, 2 besha. Mutumia wa muhe besha ni ukumenya ni kanyoni muthemba u, mutumia wa muhe freedom no ukumenya ni kanyoni muthemba u. Na that is niguo turamenya Trizah ni kanyoni muthemba u. Gutinda mugithiuruka na muthungu wa mbere ni kwenda kuyuria athungu mekumako mekoigana atumia aitu kana mutumia wa mugikuyu kana mutumia mugikuyu tondu turakihiko kamba indi ni tondu wa social media pressure ni turacaka kurio na tugakihikoka ngori atiriri athungu agikiro giki tukurutirwo ku wa keri korwo muthungu uyu korwo Trizah aumire gwa Karangu akioywo ni Kamau bitu akioywo ni Ndungu akioywo ni Mburu akioywo ni Kang'ethe. Name this man, name this Kikuyu men. Goko tugire kuku nenda-ini tukiuga ehe Kang'ethe ni acokerie Karangu muka ehe ne. Let me ask you, mukirete niki? Muraga kuhura wi undu uyu niki tondu riri giki turareherwo nenda-ini ri nona giki turareherwo haha kihakitwo maguta ma to video tu twendetetwo turutetwo mahitia. But of course we say crime scene diagaga. There is no crime scene that is perfect. Koguo no turikionaga kaundu guo kautuka tugakiona guoko kuma thutha wa barathi ni nawe tugakira guoko kuu ni kwao. My question here is, what is so biggie? Is it about uria muthungu uyu aravape nyamushi arakigucia? Is it about that? Is it about the cooking in kitchen? What is so biggie gia gutuma oya muiretu witu atunya mwanake witu muiretu na tukomba ndo turi comfortable okay go showcase na kuyonania nake goko nenda-ini turi comfortable kairetu gaitu karekira nguo nguhe turi sawa. Aha, na riu turakira karuta kiremba nigetha uhoro agirire. Trizah, it is when we are knowing you right now na ngwire undu umwe o ithuĩ turakugĩrĩria go gucokereria ati o ithuĩ no ithuĩ tugakuria waumaga kwa murume guo wiki atia. Na niĩ ngutura nguririkanagia ati ciana ciaku no irakubatara, ngutura nguririkanagia ati gutire handu mweranite na ciana ciaku ati ni ugacitiga na ni ugathie gwetha greener pastures. Of course thaa icio kire na mbeca wina ritwa ngira ciana ciaku ikare nacio ni korwo ndi akuona guku nenda-ini na twana twaku ngimenyaga ati Trizah ni ciana arethera. I'll be okay. Thaa ici niki urethera niki kiratuma niki kiu kiratuma hurwo bica. Let me tell you kairetu, one day ukarora bica icio wirire not this, somebody take this to the bank. This is one of the files that will be pulled. This is one of the videos that will be pulled when things will go haywire. Nagwire, by the way, I'll not be surprised ono geka kiundu nie na mukenya nie na mwiroreri, we will not be surprised. We have seen it all, and of course gutiro doreka ati utari wekwo no na tondu tureka we have seen them. Atumia maturite mahikokete na makahikoka magoka go showcase guku nenda-ini agi makahikoka makehitha. Wekire oreka no gwiturehera guku nenda-ini na twakimenya ati wahikoka. This is the person that you are. Bottom line ira ciana ciaku.
Huyu mama mjiga sana na anaonaga kama ako na akili mingi juu anaongeaga kihema kama anaongeaga na slow motion. My friend, umeishi kugobanisha Trizah kutoka ile siku alitoka kwa Karangu. Ore uratulati tuonete Trizah ni kanyoni muthemba u agia besha. What kanyoni is Karangu agia besha? Arehire Trizah gasugwa. Trizah na miaka 34. Mutumia huyu ambie huyo bonako anakudinyanga akuletee gasugwa. ndio ujue what kind of mutheba Trizah is. Kuna hii ujinga mimi sipendi, and I don't like these women ambao wametoka ushago and they are always wanting kufinyiria wanawake. So Trizah has been taken as ambassador by Skyscanners, and so they are taking videos with that director of Skyscanners, ule mtu anakoboeshaga manyumba Westland. Na huyu anasema ati Trizah ni arahikukire arathi kuria thungu tukona kwa thungu aiganu. Wewe ni maraya, shetani, pepo baya. Wewe no difference with you. And I want to tell you very, very true. We na wiru muno. Na kama unataka karago, swede ya kuoe. Swede ya kuoe madam. Utia gutida ukinegenia Trizah guko. Tonaga mutumia ni karereko agya besa. Karago ni karereko agya besa. Gaida muheire Trizah nake akigira mutumia wene wahikite ginya na kanitha. Ginya gitwaro Dubai na akigia mwana na karago agitiga ciana ciake agithia kirera ciana cia uriongi. Alafu mnaambia karago Trizah aliwacha watoto wake na akaenda. Kwani ni wake peke yake? Trizah, continue shining, continue growing, continue manifesting what God had kept for you. Please, usitikie kwa box. Nitaka takashia dumia taishi. Dingo taisi sieda karago waku nithi ikahike kuo nithi gatuike gatumia gakeri gakaro. Yes, Trizah alisa na kusaa haimaanishi afugwe mikono. Trizah too can get these ambassador jobs. Trizah too can grow. Who said women should not earn? The reason why Trizah alikuwaga amekwa na ng'ombe kama caretaker is because alikuwaga ameitikia kukaa kwa society ati ni mwanamke lazima ajifinyirie. Nonsense na dogi thoni. By the way, you can just get married to Karango if that is what you want. Please, you can get married to Karango, leave Trizah alone. Trizah shazaria Karango, wenda ciana cia Karango thiaga kuhikie nawe ukamuciarira. Kana ti uguo era muthuri gwa tiriri akurehere gacungwa, then we will start talking from then. But before that, gutiri kindu ratwira na tia kwikirire tukuota Gikuyu wonekane ta wi Mugikuyu ukihema hau. We kwanja wi ndikwenda gwita kirigwe. I don't want to call you a circumcised woman, idiot, na nduri thoni thino.